So I started at Viking 6.5 years ago as an account manager with the OEM team, moved up as a senior account manager and then a supervisor. Currently I'm the customer support manager for the OEM and energy teams. I really started with OEM, but I got to work with energy here or there. Really cool to see just starting out having no knowledge of pumps and not knowing what any of the components are to having a lot more knowledge, but even looking more at the process and how we can continue to grow better each day. Viking is really great about utilizing each person's skills and strengths that can benefit the company and the employees. I would say for me personally, I have a desire to continue to learn new things and to continue to grow. And I think that really keeps myself and other employees interested. Even 6.5 years later, I'm still learning new things and I still get questions that I haven't heard before. There's always something more, something else to look for or to find.